Asamyukta Hasta, one hand gesture. Asamyukta Hasta is a single hand gesture in Bharatanatyam Hasta or Bharatanatyam Mudra. Is a typical hand gesture used in the dance form to depict certain parts or the narrative. These Asamyukta Hastas are 28 in number according to Natya Shastra. Pataka. It means flag. First of all, hold all your fingers straight like are signaling someone to stop. Now bend your thumb a little bit while keeping all the other fingers tight. This Bharatanatyam Hasta is used to depicting clouds, forests, etc. Three Pataka. It means three colors. From your Pataka hand position, just bend your ring finger. This Bharatanatyam Mudra depicts trees, arrows, crown, etc. Ardha Pataka. It means half flag. From the three Pataka position, bend your little finger. Ardha Pataka is also like three Pataka, but in addition to your ring finger, your little finger is also bent and only your index and your middle finger will be stretched open. This Bharatanatyam hand gestures is used to show two lips board. Kartari Mukha. It means scissors. The starting position of Kartari Mukha Hasta is the Ardha Pataka with your little finger and the ring finger bent and pressed against the thumb. Gently open your index finger and the middle finger and spread them apart to show scissors. This Bharatanatyam Hasta is also used to portray opposition, angle, rooting and separation. Mayura. It means a peacock. From Kartari Mukha position, retain the position of your thumb and ring finger. Extend the little finger such that your index, middle and little finger are extended and it one line. This Bharatanatyam Mudra shows creepers, birds. Ardha Chandrascha. It means half moon. The Ardha Chandra Mudra is performed with all the fingers up and straight. It's an open palm. It replicates the Pataka Mudra, but the thumb is in line with the other fingers as well. The Bharatanatyam hand gesture is also used to depict a spear, throat and the legs. Arala. It means bend. From your Ardha Chandra position, just bend your index finger and your thumb. This is Arala Mudra. This Bharatanatyam Hasta is used to represent drinking, etc. Sukatunda. It means parrot's head. Just bend the ring finger from Arala position and the Sukatunda Mudra is ready. Usually this Bharatanatyam Mudra represents a parrot's head, but it also means shooting, remembering one's about and a spear. Mushtisha. It means fist. Mushti is nothing but a clenched fist. You can rest your thumb in its clasp of the other fingers or you can place the thumb on the fingers. This Bharatanatyam hand gesture illustrates grasping, steadfastness and a combative position. Shikhara. It means a peak. When you raise your thumb up from the Mushti Mudra, you get Shikhara. Shikhara usually looks like a thumbs up sign or a Facebook like. This Bharatanatyam Mudra is used to depict a king or a peak or an armor. It is also used to show a bow and pillars. Kapitha. It means elephant apple. From the Shikhara Hasta, open your index finger and press over your thumb and keep the other fingers in their position. This Bharatanatyam hand gesture is called Kapitha, which means Goddess Lakshmi and Saraswati. It is also used to portray milking cow, holding ribbons or holding a flower. Kataka Mukha. It means opening a bracelet. In Bharatanatyam Mudra, Kataka Mukha is only one mudra that is doing. One of them is the opening of a bracelet. Bring together your index, middle fingers and thumb. This Bharatanatyam hasta is used to show plucking flowers, holding or wearing a necklace and saying Suchi. It means needle. The middle and ring and the little fingers are pressed against the thumb while the forefinger is held straight. This from and Suchi hasta. This Bharatanatyam mudra is used to signify the supreme soul 100, the sun or a city. Chandrakala. From the Suchi mudra, release the thumb so that it extends outwards. This is the Chandrakala hasta. This Bharatanatyam hand gesture is used to denote the moon, object of round shape. Padma Kosha. From the open palm facing the sky, bring the fingers closer without touching each other, and the Padma Kosha hasta is ready. This Bharatanatyam hasta is used to indicate a ball. Sharpa Shisha. From the Pataka hasta, bend only the tips of the fingers such that they resemble the hooded head of a cobra. This is Sharpashish hasta. This Bharatanatyam mudra is used to show a snake, the arm of a wrestler. Mriga Shisha. From an open palm facing the audience, bend the index finger, middle finger and the ring finger at the clutches while leaving the thumb and the little finger erect. This Bharatanatyam hand gesture is used to show a deer, a little one, massaging the feet, a flute or Lord Krishna. Singha Mukha. From an open palm position facing the audience, bring the middle finger, the ring finger and thumb together so that they converge together. This Bharatanatyam hasta means a lion head. It is used to depict a lion's head. Kangulacha. In Kangula, you start with the open palm and bend only the ring finger and touch the mount of the thumb. Keep all the other fingers open and outstretched. This Bharatanatyam mudra is used to depict a fruit, a bell or a blossom. Alapadma. Open the palm and with all fingers outstretched, spread them such that they appear like an image on the left. This Bharatanatyam hand gesture is used to show lotus flower. Chatura. An easy way is to start the Mrigashisha hasta. Just move the thumb to inward and join the tip at the base of little finger. It's used to demonstrate quantity, mass, gold. Bhramara. Start with the Kataka Mukha hasta and move the index finger in between the middle finger and the thumb to get Bhramara. This Bharatanatyam mudra is used to show a bee, a parrot. Hang Sarsha. Keep all fingers outstretched and separate and join only the index finger and the thumb at the tip. These Bharatanatyam hand gestures means a swan's head. It is used to depict a swan, a trait, an auspicious occasion. Hangsa Pakshakaha. Starts with Mrigashisha hasta and from this position bend your thumb and bring it alongside the other bent fingers. You get Hangsa Paksha. This Bharatanatyam mudra depicts wings of a swan, the number of 6, construction of a bridge, etc. Sham Dam Sham. This Bharatanatyam hasta is movement rather than a pose like the other hasta. To perform the Samdamsha mudra, bring all the fingers together so that their tips touch each other and then open up the fingers and spread them outwards. This Bharatanatyam mudra is used to show offering made to deities, an open wound, om, etc. Mukula. To get Mukula hasta, you only need to stop after the first part of Shamdamsha hasta. For example, bring all your fingers together so that they all touch each other at the tips, and there you have Mukula hasta. These Bharatanatyam hand gestures denote a flower bud eating navel, etc. Tamra Chura. There are two starting positions of this hasta. You can get Tamrachura from the Suchi hasta when you bend the index finger like a question mark, or you can start from the Mukula hasta and open the index finger, bend it like a question mark. This Bharatanatyam hasta is used to show a bird, a camel, or an engraving pen. Trishula. Open your palm and spread out your fingers. Now fold your little finger and thumb and join their tips to get Trishula Hasta. This Bharatanatyam mudra means a 3-point spear in Sanskrit. This hand gesture is used to show the concept of three, the Holy Trinity.